Hello everyone, this is my review of this audio preamp adapter with 48 volt phantom power. It comes with an extra Velcro strap to make it easy to attach to things. It also has a clip on the side. You got your control set so you can switch it between mic and a cell phone and camera and a cell phone, and to turn your phantom power on. You can use it as a portable power supply for an XLR microphone that requires the 48 volt power supply. You can adjust the gain in it as well. You can plug an XLR cable directly into it, also a 6.35 millimeter jack into it, and it already comes with the 3.5 millimeter jack so you can plug into your audio device. I've been able to use a XLR microphone with this and plug it straight into my cell phone, so it works well, and I hope this